Good morning, beautiful people. TJ here with another episode. I know it's super dark and super early. I'm going over to the bin store and I'm gonna go see if I can find some profits. Come on in, puppies. Good morning, puppies. What are y'all doing? What y'all want? Y'all want something? Y'all wanna go to the bin store? Hey, little girl. Hello, my beautiful fish. Good morning. Okay, so obviously, I do a lot of sourcing, so it's not a new thing, but I have got to get this in order. Yeah, this garage right here is. Oh God, this is bad. So today I'm going to be getting this cleaned up after I go to the bin store. All this stuff is going to get put somewhere. I'm going to go and take some of the stuff over to the store, and yeah, so let's get it. So I've been on YouTube for quite a while now. I've been on YouTube for I think 7 years at this point, and what I have found lately is that I struggle with finding content that fits my brand and fits what I want to do, but also help you guys when you're watching videos and stuff like that, and also kind of being moderately entertaining. So what kind of the realization that I came to is that 2 or so years ago, a year ago, it was a lot easier for me to make videos because I didn't really care if they performed well. I just made the videos, and I think before I was actually making money on YouTube, the content was a lot easier to create because you just made it, and it didn't matter how I did because there was no like stake to it. So there's a downside to being monetized on YouTube because I do think it does skew your creativity, and sometimes it can also stifle you from making content because you think you got to make a certain type of content to get a certain amount of views or certain people to watch your videos and stuff like that. So I am going to be making a video today, and it probably will come out tomorrow about like my highest paid YouTube videos, stuff like that. We'll kind of dive into the analytics a little bit, and you'll kind of see what I'm talking about once you watch that video. Okay, so now that I'm done with all the fun stuff this morning, I already went to the bin store. I went to 2 bin stores, actually. I did okay. I think I spent maybe, I don't know, maybe $60, $70, something like that. I didn't get that many items. We'll go over the items here a little bit later on in the video. Right now, I've got to get to cleaning this stuff up. So I'm going to give y'all a quick synopsis of this right here, because this looks bad. It looks worse than what it actually is, but it's not like great. But I'm gonna go through it. So there's 6 boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these 6 boxes, the stuff is already listed, and they're in each. These boxes are labeled. So I'm gonna take these boxes over to the store. I'm just gonna close them up, stick them in the bed of my truck, and I'm gonna take them straight over to my store. And when I go to the store, I'm just going to sort everything out and put it into the bins that we already have at the store. So this will be pretty easy to do, this little part right here. So that'll clear that up. And then I have 1, which is a box of coats. 1, 2, 3 boxes over here. I think I can consolidate these 2 boxes together. So I'm gonna take that box and put it in there. So this will be 1 box. And then over there, and there's another pile of junk. But over here, we've got 2 boxes worth of stuff that can be taken over to the store as well. So 1, 2, 3, and then there's stuff in there. So I'm gonna count that as like 4. So I got 4 boxes of stuff that's gonna go like to our back room and be to be listed. And then I've got 2 bulk boxes of soft goods, so I'm going to combine them into 1 box. So I'm going to take all the stuff that I got in the office in here and put it in this box, and I'll take that over to the back room. We just sold this. We actually took it off for $600, this computer. So this computer is going to be boxed up and shipped out this morning. So I'm going to get that done as well. And that's pretty much it for this. I've got like a little testing station over. This is normally where I test stuff at. So I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. I think I'm gonna do half the table is gonna be just the stuff that I have to test, and the other half to be clear, so I can actually test the items. So I'm gonna get this kind of cleared off and get this stuff cleaned up. So that is gonna be done via a time lapse. So let's get it. All right, so that was a doozy. That took me about, let's see, I started this morning at 7:30 going to the bin store. It is currently 2:07. So I got everything over here from the garage. I still got some more stuff at the garage, and I'll show you. I'll go back over to the garage here in a minute and show you exactly what I got left. But I did bring all the inventory over here that need to be dispersed. I dispersed some stuff in this bin 27 or 25 that was empty, and then I put some stuff in this bin 22 because it's kind of a bigger one. Then I got 2 additional bins down here. These are 2 new bins quote unquote. These will actually be plastic totes. When I go to the store later, I'll get a couple more plastic totes. And then over here I got 2 more bins. These was actually boxes. I just converted them to bins. So all I did was went into the custom SKU. I went to eBay, searched for the custom SKU of box 8 and box 9, and that's changed all of them from box 8 and box 9 to bin 29 and bin 30. That way, everything is organized and it's still within the same organization that I want. So the store is actually still pretty. It's still pretty clean. It ain't too bad right now. Even our little back room back here, this is our storeroom. That's what we're calling it now. So I brought all of the other inventory that needs to be listed. It's on the need to be listed wall. So it's sitting here looming over us the whole time. And then this is stuff I got from the bin store. Let's go roll through some of the stuff I got. I got this little skin care, facial body care thing, a slimming and shaping body care complex. It only goes for about $25. I got this toner TC30 microphone for $30. That's how much I'm listed. All these prices are sold comps that I found on eBay. That's what I'm gonna list the items for. This is like a little docking station for like an iPhone, and I guess you put an Apple Watch and stuff on there. It's going for about $35. I got 3 of these, which are toner TC777 microphones. They go for about $25 a piece. Those sell very quickly, so I'm gonna get those listed today. I got this yoga machine. It's like a sleep machine. That goes for about $45 in the open box condition. This one looks like it's fairly new. It looks new to me. So I'm still gonna list it obviously as open box, but it does look new. And I've had one of these before, and it sold very quickly. It actually just makes noise like with a fan in there, so so you can have some ambient noise. This is a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. First alert. And it goes for about $33. And then I have this ultra stick hand blender. Really nice stainless steel. It's got like some attachments and stuff like this. I thought this would be a little bit more than what it is, but it's only going for about $30. And then I've got this. This is actually kind of neat. So it's a lunchbox, but you can do like all your meal prep in it and put like multiple days, I guess, or multiple things in here. So it's got like different containers and stuff like that, and it's got like little shelves that you can put everything in. It's got a cold pack, and then it's also got this little top part that's got like a place where you can put, like, I guess your medicine and stuff like that, and you can see the top of them, so you can pull the stuff in and out from the top and the side if you need to. This is going for about $70. This is actually really a really nice pickup. I didn't realize it was this much. And it says 2 TSA approved ice packs, so I guess you can take this through the airport if you needed to. And then last but not least, I got 2 of these original triple cloud bamboo pillows. These are like shredded memory foam. These go for about $50 a piece. Actually, they're listed for $63, but I'm gonna go in a little bit lower. Hopefully I can get them sold pretty quick. So both of these, they're $50 a piece. So all in all, I paid a total of about $90 for this stuff, and it has an eBay value of $443. Is what I'm going to list all the stuff for. I say after shipping and everything, I should make around, $275, $300 just for this stuff right here. So it didn't take me too long to source this stuff, but hopefully tomorrow I do a little bit better. So I got some orders to be shipped out. Since we're here, we'll look at the orders. I'm not going to ship them out right now at this moment. I do got some stuff that I'm gonna keep, like this. I got that from the bin store. It's like a little portable juicer. And I also got this RGB disc mat that I'm gonna keep. But we have, if you can see that, can you see it? Yeah, we got 6 orders to ship out with a total of $793.98. Not too bad for a Friday. So I'm gonna get all that stuff packaged up and shipped out. I'm gonna do that off camera. I don't think y'all want to see that. And then I'm gonna go back over to the garage and we'll finish up with the garage, and I'll show you what the end result is. And then that'll be it. All right, so this is the next day. I didn't finish up like I wanted to, but I'm gonna get over here in the morning and finish everything up. So I'm gonna go through what we still have left. I got to get rid of this bulk box. This bulk box, like I said, has the soft goods in it, so that'll go over to the store. And then I got some other stuff over here that I can kind of clean up a little bit. I'm going to consolidate all the rest of this junk, this is what I'm calling it, over here to this area. I'm going to break this pallet down tomorrow. We do have some stuff inside of this pallet that can be sold. There's a couple things that are actually pretty decent items that can be sold. So I'm gonna break this pallet down. I'm gonna get all this stuff out of it, and then at least I can get rid of this pallet, and then I can move it into a different area. And then back here, I've got some other little miscellaneous stuff that I'm gonna leave back here. But for the most part, tomorrow, this garage should be clean enough where I could actually pull a car in here. So this whole side right here be cleaned out. This table is going to go back over there. It's going to be cleaned off. Oh, I did, real quick. This was something I picked up at the bin store, and it's like an airbrush. Oh shoot, I forgot to do that. It's an actually an airbrush. So I'm gonna be actually using that for my 3D prints, and I got, it's kind of loud back here, but I've got some 3D prints going right now. Printing, I don't even know what I'm printing right now, but I am printing something. It's a bus or something like that, so that'll be pretty cool. If you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram. You will see what this print is. So I'm printing this one on the filament printer, and I also have a print going on the resin printer, which you can't really see it, but there's a print going on the resin printer as well. So I got both printers going, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. All right, that is going to be it for today, guys. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos. So I'm going to be doing some more of these vlog style videos, just kind of a day in the life of, a weekend in the life of, whatever you want to call it, on this channel. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you have the notification bell clicked, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.